guys, it's your girl Davina, aka Davina H Beauty. Today I'm gonna be creating this look that I came up with when I did my first ever face chart and it got a lot of love. So if you guys want to see how I get this Editorial Valentine's Day look, then just keep watching. So jumping in, I'm gonna be taking the simple face toner and moisturizer to tone and then moisturize my skin. And don't forget to moisturize your neck. Next, I'm going in with this Balance Under Eye Cream to help with my dark circles and also to moisturize my under eye. Then I'm going in with the Bliss Text Medicated Lip Balm. And to prime my face, I'm going to first go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin in the areas where I have large pores. Then I'm going in with the NYX Angel Veil to help mattify my skin in all the areas that I get oily. After that, I'm going in with the LA Girl Color Corrector in orange and just color correct all of the dark areas on my face. To help my face to stay matte, I'm going to take the black Opal loose powder in medium and just set my primer. And then I shake it like a salt, shake it like a salt. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360 Mocha. All of the products that I use in this video are going to be listed down below. For my brows, I'm going in with the LA Girl Gel Liner in dark brown. I'm just gonna outline and fill it in. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial, I'm gonna link it somewhere around the screen and in the description box below. So I'm cleaning out with the LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, and then I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to prime my lids for the eyeshadow. For my transition here, I'm going in with this light pink and this hot pink with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm just going in with the hot pink alone and the same fluffy brush to deepen the crease a little bit, and I'm focusing it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes. Then with a tapered blending brush, I'm going into the red and I'm focusing it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes while connecting it to create that halo eye effect. So I'm pretty much just going back and forth between that matte red and that matte pink because I want it to be more pink than red. And then I'm gonna put this liquid highlighter in the center of my eye. And it's going to be a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using, which is this pinky purple shimmer shade. I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer to sketch out where I'm going to be putting my white liner. Okay, so that little angle brush wasn't really working out, so I just switched to a really thin liner brush, and this is actually working better. And don't worry if you mess up with the little sketching out bit, you know, you can always go in with a small pencil brush and clean up the sketchy lines. So once I have the lines to where I want it, I'm gonna take this fine, this is actually a brush that I got from a nail art set, and I use it for when I'm doing these really graphic types of liner looks. So if you want like really detailed fine lines, I would definitely recommend getting a nail art brush set, just because it's so much handier to me than an actual liner brush. I find myself having to trim off some of the hairs on liner brushes to get them to as thin as I would like them, and this kind of saves you from doing all of that. So yeah, and the best thing to do is start off as thin as possible, and if it's not perfectly straight, that's okay. You can always go in and make it thicker. Oh my gosh, I just totally became that meme just now. If you don't get it to match perfectly, it's okay. I didn't get mine to perfectly match. I know that I need a little bit more practice, but you know, just go for it. Practice it a couple times if you're gonna wear it to work or whatever, but which I actually did, and the day that I went to wear it looked a lot better. Next, I'm going in with black gel liner to create my wing, and above that wing I'm going to take some glitter adhesive and a small angle brush to create another glitter line over that black liner. Okay, so now I'm all done with the eyes, and to highlight I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and just blend it out with a beauty blender. I didn't show it, but I set my concealer with the black Opal medium loose powder, and I'm just gonna set my foundation and sweep away that loose powder with the Sacha pressed powder in the shade Perfect Bronze. Now that I'm finished sweeping away all of that powder and setting my face, I'm going to go back in with the same colors that we used in the crease on the lower lash line area. So first that light pink and that hot pink. Then I'm just going in with the hot pink alone. After that, I'm going in with my Beige Cosmetics Glamorous Blush Palette. And I'm going to take these two pink colors and I'm applying it on my cheeks and on my nose area. To contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl HD Face Powder in the shade Cocoa, and then I'm gonna be lining my lips with this Italia Hot Pink pencil liner. And as I line it, I'm just kind of smudging it out and bringing it up to the center of my lips. For our lipstick, I'm going in with this nude pink color, and then I'm setting my face with the City Color Oil Controlling Setting Spray, and when that dries I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows a bit, and I'm going back in with pink and red this time because I wanted this to be a little bit more loud and dramatic. So I wet my face with the satin spray because I personally like applying liquid highlighter on my face when it's a little moist. And then I'm gonna go over the highlighter with the eyeshadow that I used on the center of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with a small flat top brush, and I'm applying glitter adhesive and this pink holographic glitter from Ambrosia to create glitter freckles. I'm going to also be doing bigger freckles with this chunky heart-shaped nail glitter. Next, I'm going in with mascara, and then I'm applying top and bottom lashes, and that's it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more. Please feel free to check out my other videos. And don't forget, you can follow me on my social media, which is Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. You can comment below and let me know what you enjoyed about this video and what kind of videos you guys would be interested in seeing in the future. I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this video. And don't forget to be yourself, love yourself, and stay beautiful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!